Hey guys, if your DJI QuickTransfer is not working, the one thing that you can try, and this is something that I've read by many people that it actually worked for them, is turning off the cell signal worked for me. If you have Android, if you have iPhone, what you want to do is you want to just like disable the cellular data and then try to do the transfer. This was also many times with like Robor, a completely different company, that people had to like disable the data for it to actually work. So for some reason. Now, try it out, disable the data, and I hope it's going to fix the issue for you. So if you have problem with the DJI QuickTransfer not working, and I hope it's going to actually fix it. So let me down below in the comments if it actually helped, and have a great day and goodbye.